Now, ladies and gents, just now we just received the Nio March deliveries, and as seen on the screen, Nio sold 11,866 vehicles for March, which is up 14% from the same period last year, or from the very same March deliveries they reported last year, which is something that is pretty good. And it is a 46% increase from the February deliveries, or the over 8,500 February deliveries we witnessed. Now, this, ladies and gents, comes after Nio came out last week and cut, of course, their guidance, and now indeed we find Nio having to sell around 30,053 vehicles for Q1. Now, these total of 30,053 are below or lower than those deliveries that Nio reported in Q1 of 2023, which is something that, of course, this is the only worrisome thing that, of course, we can think about when we are talking about these deliveries. But nonetheless, the 11,000, 46% month-on-month increase, and of course 14% increase year over year, it's something that is really commendable from Nio. So out of these deliveries, ladies and gents, over 6,700 were, of course, SUVs, whilst the over 5.1 were, of course, sedans. And for sedans, you'll know that it includes also the ET5 Touring. This is something that is not that bad. I think these are good deliveries, but of course, from now on, we'll expect Nio to do even much more. Now, what Nio said during, of course, this official report of their March deliveries, they indicated that they've started delivering 2024 models in almost all of their models. The only models that are remaining to start with the deliveries is the ET7 and the ES7, which, of course, with the ET7, we know that Nio plans to start delivering that now in April, and ES7 also might be coming very soon. So we hope to see, of course, Nio starting with the deliveries, especially with the ET7, because it's coming with some pretty good decent upgrade, like the screens at the front seats, at the back of the front seat, which makes it easier for those that are sitting at the back to, of course, either do activities, watch videos, and do whatever they want from those screens at the back, which is something that is pretty exciting. So 11,866 are the total deliveries that Nio saw for the month of March, which, like I said in the beginning of this video, I don't think these are bad, but we just hope Nio continues improving, and all of which I think they will, especially that in the video that I just did just now, and I've uploaded on YouTube already, we're discussing about the new catalyst, or a new, ladies and gents, subsidy that Nio is going to offer to those that buy, or those gas or petrol car owners who goes and buy the Nio car. They will be getting around, or discounts worth $2,900, which is something that is pretty exciting, because $2,900, it's quite a good decent money. So from that article we read that the Nio phones discounts or catalyst they introduced in February, it's still continuing, which is something that is pretty exciting, right? And this continues to those that are owning the gas cars, which this is a good initiative for Nio, or from Nio, because, ladies and gents, you will know that Nio is not only gonna boost, of course, their sales by this, but it is also helping the government, or the Chinese government rather, to, of course, get to their target of having as many EV cars on the road as possible. This is a good initiative from Nio, and over and above that, they are offering almost $900 towards the Nio phone, which will be part of the package to those that own the petrol gas cars and want to buy the Nio car, which is something that is pretty exciting. Over and above that, there are battery swapping stations, vouchers. There's also the NOP Plus for a year, which is something that is pretty exciting. I mean, I think we are going to easily thresh the over 23,000 deliveries that Nio reported back in 2023, which is the very first quarter where I think we are going to catch up as much and deliver as many vehicles. So probably, I don't know, it will be very good that we double this figure, this over 23,000. So what am I saying? I think we should at least deliver for the quarter, I don't know, around 47,000 vehicles, which will be pretty good and decent. I think the new investors would want that. In fact, we all want to see that, and I hope it comes to pass, so that even the revenues we generated in Q2 last year, we get to see at least almost a double from that. I think this will encourage or boost the investor sentiments around Nio, and this is what we expect to see. So 11,866 is what Nio delivered in March, up 14% year over year and up 46% month to month, which is something that is pretty exciting. And I hope for the best. Tomorrow we are getting the NEV insurance registrations for the previous week, which I also look forward to those numbers to see exactly how many vehicles or insurance registration did Nio have for last week. I will also closely monitoring that, and I hope you stay tuned. Otherwise, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And I just hope, like I said in the previous video, we start to see the recovery into Nio's share price. Otherwise, Xpeng sold just over 9,000 deliveries, which they are lower than Nio, though they are selling much cheaper cars than Nio. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.